Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data breach exposure using Have I Been Pwned full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Have I Been Pwned website at haveibeenpwned.com. Locate the search bar prominently displayed on the home page. Enter your email address into the search bar. Click the Pwned button to initiate the search. Wait for the website to process your request. Review the results page for any data breaches associated with your email address. If your email is found, take note of the listed breaches. Each breach entry will include the name of the service and the date of the breach. Click on any breach name to see more detailed information. This will show you what type of data was compromised. If your account has been compromised, consider changing your password immediately. Enable two-factor authentication on your accounts where possible. Check for follow-up advice provided for each breach. This may include security tips and further actions to take. If you do not find any breaches associated with your email, you can feel reassured. However, it's wise to remain vigilant and monitor your accounts regularly. You can also use the feature to search for other email addresses or usernames. Just enter the additional email or username in the search bar and repeat the process. Be sure to share this tool with friends and family for their security. Remember to verify data exposure with Have I Been Pwned periodically. Staying informed is key to maintaining your online safety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.